Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to stop Telegram from auto-downloading media. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go and open Telegram, and after that go to settings, and after that go to data and storage, and as you can see here you have multiple options, but the options that we need here is the second one's automatic media download. And here you have two options, the first one using cellular, and as you can see the first option is auto download media. We have to deactivate it like that. And the second one is using Wi-Fi. You have to click on it and also go to auto download media and deactivate it. And like that you will stop Telegram from auto downloading media. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.